Alright, our physics project here is talking about momentum and how it can affect runners. Right now is the race that we're going to show is the 300 hurdles race at MIA Championships. The top two finishers were Jabulani Blyden, Gilman, and Justin Gross and McDonough. If you look before the last hurdle, Gross has a lead, probably about quarter of a second, half a second lead. Then he slows down going to that last hurdle and missed strides, slowing down his momentum and making it harder for him to get over the last hurdle. Blyden picks up on this, picks up his stride, gets over the last hurdle faster, beats Gross to it, and ends up getting a longer stride in, thus allowing him to sprint faster after the last hurdle.
You're about to see is two races. Matt Jablonski in the record-breaking mile race this past Saturday at the MIA Championships, and also Matt Erford along with Brett Fleury in the 800, and we're using these two races to juxtapose a physics theorem in which you moving faster cannot stay in a circular pattern of movement. In Jablonski's race, because he is moving so much slower in pace, he is able to stay closer to the line when running, whereas Erford and Brett and everyone in the 800 race has to take breaks. He's going now. There you go, John. No, he doesn't. Let's go, Matt! Let's go, Matt!
Oh God, I'm gonna be there. I'm gonna be back in like a minute or two.
Because I was like driving up here and I heard like the announcing coming from here. I was like right now I have enough distance. It was like nice. It's like like I would want to go and see this track, but I have to be in it, so I like want to get as far away as possible.
My physics project.
Go, man, go, Brett!
Yeah, it is. I know. I'm actually like whistling.
Yo, finally, that was sick.
So you saw the races between Erford and Jablonski, and you also saw the guy doing the hurdles. And what you can conclude from both of those is that if you're going around a curve, the faster you are, like the more space you'll need, because the more speed that you have, it will force you to go to the outer part of the circle more. Whereas if you're not going as fast, you'll be able to stay in the inner part of the track, or whatever type of circle it is. Also, in the hurdles run, the guy, apparently he wasn't going fast enough, so therefore he didn't have the momentum to keep going, and therefore that's what caused him to lose the race. However, if he had kept his speed up and kept going fast enough, he would have been successful in keeping his momentum to carry him through all the hurdles, therefore winning the race.